Hello and welcome to Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name's Emma and today I'm going to show you a tip about how to find Commonwealth Games resources. So go to twinkl.com.au and in the search bar type in Commonwealth Games. Now you'll see that a few resources load suggestions that you might want to use. So we can either click on Commonwealth Games Australia or click the search bar. Let's click on Commonwealth Games Australia. All of our Twinkl Australia Commonwealth Games resources appear. For this, we're going to click on the Commonwealth Games 3 to 6 resource pack. We'll click View Resource. And we log in or join to download. Once you've logged in, click the download button and the file will download as a zip file. This has been a Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next week for some more tips.